Okay, so in this problem, we're going to solve each of these equations vertically. And as we discussed in the previous slides, when you multiply any number by its reciprocal, you get 1. So in letter A, we have 2/3 x equals 8, which means 2/3 times x equals 8. In order to get x by itself, or just figure out what 1x is, we are going to multiply both sides, property of equality, by the reciprocal of 2/3. And the reciprocal of 2/3 would be 3/2. So again, property of equality, whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. Now, once I multiply 3/2 times 2/3, I end up getting 1. And that's what I want, 1x. Now I have an equals 8 times 3/2. I get 24/2. My answer is x equals 12. In B, we have the similar situation. So I have 3/4 x. I want to find out what just 1x is, so I'm going to multiply 3/4 by its reciprocal so I can get 1x. I'm going to multiply both sides by 4/3. 4/3 times 3/4 gives me 1. And again, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other, property of equality. I can get 9 times 4/3 equals x. 36/3 equals x. X equals 12. In C, similar situation, we have 3/10 x equals 1.2 or 1 2/10. Now, I would either write this as a fraction and then multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 3/10, or you can simply just do the inverse operation. And since I'm multiplying 0.3 times x, the inverse operation would be to divide both sides by 0.3. Divide both sides by 0.3. If you have 3/10 x and you divide by 3/10 x, you get 1. So now you have 1 2/10 divided by 3/10, and you get x equals 4. Similar to D, again, I'm going to do the inverse operation to both sides. Right now I'm multiplying x by 0.35, so I'm going to divide both sides by 0.35, and I will end up with x equals 3.